Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this pirate outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this dark brown color. And then you can put on this hat and you're going to color it with this color and put on this earring, the sleeves, and this hair, but you can choose the only bangs for this hair. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to put on this corset, and then I'm going to make it this color for the first selection until the fifth selection. Oops, sorry, for the ribbon I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and for the last section I'm going to apply this color, and then I'm going to put on this corset as well and color it with the same color. I'm just going to make it this color for all the selection. Okay, and put on the sleeves. Again, we're going to make it the same color. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to go to this top area and select this corset, and again I'm going to apply this color for all the selections. Okay, it's done, and then I'm going to put on this boot. Okay, this one guys, and I'm going to color it with the brown color for the ribbon. Okay, for this one I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the skirt area, and for the skirt I'm going to select I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to apply this pattern, and then I'm going to go back to this area and put on this skirt. Sorry, I forgot to put on this skirt. Okay, and I'm going to apply the same pattern like this, and then I'm going to put on this skirt, and then I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, and I'm going to move to the stocking area, and then I'm going to put on the stocking, this one. Okay, and I'm going to go to this accessories area and put on this knife. Okay, then I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay guys, in the changing room I'm going to select this dress, this one, and I'm going to make it skirt only, and I'm going to apply this pattern for all the selections, and I'm going to combine it with the skirt, and then I'm going to apply this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this pirate outfit and dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.